Hi friends, let me show you this new dog grooming table arm that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a portable unit, easy to use, and it will help you to groom and clean your pets at home really easily, okay? It has a clamp that can hold up to 2 inches tables, okay? I'm going to install it here in mine. You get, of course, a user manual, okay? Easy to use. The main arm is foldable, so you can bring it with you really easily, just like that. Okay. You fix it like that, okay? And you can put the arm in 2 positions, okay? You get all the accessories that you need to put it together. Let's put it in the toggle, okay? That's it. You're ready to work. Okay, let me put it a little to the side like this. You're ready to work. It is strongly fixed to the table, so your pet will be comfortable, okay? Then you get the leashes so you can, have your pet without moving, okay? And an extra one for their heads, okay? And this is an extra protection. Perfect, we're ready. Let's try it with my pets. So when you're ready, you bring your pet and you can use these ones to have it comfortably here, and you can work with him, okay? As you can see, he'll be comfortable. He won't be able to sit or fall from the table. You can work with him everywhere in his body, even turning around, okay? And if you need an extra leash, one more. Yes, Milo. So if you have pets at home and you like to groom them or clean them yourself, this is a great option. It is really portable. You just have to, when you're finished, you can get your dog down. And it's so easy. You just have to fold it back, take it from the table, and put it all away in your closet or wherever you want to store it, okay? So it's an easy way to do your grooming, your pet's necessities, cleaning, whatever, even putting an injection or whatever on your pets with this table portable grooming arm. Thank you.